Now let us start our exercise 4.5. This exercise same as the previous one exercise. We have to use this 3 step to do this kind of the question. If you are getting a like fraction, then easily find out which one is a greater. So you have to look this first A1 part. These are the like fraction. Why? Because they are having same denominator. In B1, if you will look, these are also like fraction. Why? Because they are having same denominator. So how to do this type of the question if the like fractions are there? So here is the solution. First you have to find if they are like fraction. Right here the like fraction. Now you know ascending order, it means the smallest to greatest digit you have to write. So what the digit it will come first? 2, then after 3, then after 5, and then 12. Now after write the same denominator one digit to in between of them. ओके इन सब के बीच में ये अपन ने 7 डिजिट लिख दी जो सेम डिनोमिनेटर था. आफ्टर राइटिंग इट मीन्स दीज आर द अरेंज इन असेंडिंग ऑर्डर. पुट द symbol of this ascending symbol. Understand now how can you do this type of the question? If you are getting a like fraction, it will be easy. You have to write here above with this pencil. Here I wrote with pen. You have to use pencil, and then after write down one same denominator to every digit. Now see what is it. Here is unlike fraction are there. So using the same way 3 step. First step LCM of denominator finding, then 8, 3, 12 and 4 are the denominator of this 4 fraction. Then I got here the same number, that is 24. Same number means multiple of these numbers. 24 is the multiple of this 8, 3, 12 and 4. Now I divide this separately one by one. पहले 8 से, फिर 3 से, फिर 12 से, फिर 4 से. After dividing, then I got here 3, 8, 2 and 6. So first number, write these are the fraction again to down. And now first digit we have to multiply with this 3 because 8 से denominator में divide लगाने पर 3 आया. 3 से multiply करना है. इसमें 8 से according to this number. This one third one 2 से, and the last one will be multiplied this 6. After dividing, then you will look these are the like fraction. Same denominator आ गया. Now easily you can arrange within after making a like fraction, easily you can arrange in ascending order. Which one you have to write first? 6, then after 9, then after 14 or 16. Okay, and after writing 6, 9, 14 and 16, write the same denominator. What is it? 24. Write like that. 24, 24, 24, and here is also 24. Okay, now it means this is the greater. Now write their lowest term. Lowest term तुमको मैंने वैल्यू बताया था. How to find the lowest term? This 6 upon 24. 6 upon 24 is coming through 1 upon 4. 1 upon 4 से आया तो इसका lowest term क्या हो जाएगा? 1 upon 4. 9 upon 24 is coming from this which digit? 9 upon 24 is coming 3 upon 8. 3 upon 8. So we have to write instead of that 3 upon 8. Now 14 upon 24 is coming from 7 upon 12. So instead of that I am writing here 7 upon 12. 16 upon 24. 16 upon 24 is coming from 2 upon 3. So instead of that I am writing here 2 upon 3. You have to convert in this lowest term. It is necessary because in which question, this is the question. इस क्वेश्चन में पूछ रहा है कि कौन बड़ा है कौन छोटा है. So ये क्वेश्चन को अपन ने अरेंज करा. इसी में तो अरेंज करेंगे, इसी में तो बताएंगे कौन बड़ा है कौन छोटा है. So you have to arrange after मेक दिस इक्विवेलेंट फ्रैक्शन इनटू लोवेस्ट टर्म. या तो इस तरीके से चेक करके बनाओ या यू कैन मेक ए लोवेस्ट टर्म डायरेक्टली. ये 2 से डिविजिबल है या 6 से डिविजिबल है या 9 से. ये नंबर्स को जैसा अपन बनाते आ रहे एक्सरसाइज 4.2 में जैसा अपन ने किया था लोवेस्ट टर्म बनाया था 4.2 के जैसा अपन को करना है. या तो डायरेक्टली वैसे कर सकते हो. नाउ E1 हाउ कैन यू डू? सेम द प्रोसेस यूजिंग दिस 3 स्टेप. एलसीएम ऑफ डिनोमिनेटर 12. 12 से डिवाइड लगाए 2 में, 3 में, 4 में और 3 में. देन आई गॉट हियर दिस वन डिजिट. फर्स्ट शुड बी मल्टीप्लाई दिस 6 दिस फ्रैक्शन, देन 4, 3, then 4. Now after 2 multiplication, then I got here the like fraction. This is the like fraction. Now easily you can arrange which one is the greater. 4, 6, 8 and 9. Write the same denominator 12, 12 and 12. Now 4 upon 12 is coming from, this is a 4 upon 12. This is coming 1 upon 3, तो 1 upon 3 लिख दिया. 6 upon 12 is coming from 1 upon 2. 1 upon 2 से आ रही है. 8 upon 12 is coming, 8 upon 12 here is. Okay. 8 upon 12 is coming from 2 upon 3. So here I am writing 2 upon 3. Now 9 upon 12 is coming from 3 upon 4. So here the solution of how to write ascending order this type of the question. Understand now? Now descending order, same the way we have to using this 3 step to do cover this question. LCM of denominator, क्वेश्चन A डिसेंडिंग ऑर्डर में अरेंज करना है. डिनोमिनेटर का एलसीएम लिया, दैट इट इज़ कमिंग 120 डिवाइडेड विद दिस 6, 5 and 8. आफ्टर डिवाइडिंग, फर्स्ट फ्रैक्शन विल बी मल्टीप्लाई दिस 20, सेकेंड फ्रैक्शन विल बी मल्टीप्लाई दिस 24 and third fraction will be multiply this 15. After multiplication, then I got here these are type of the term. This is the like fraction. So like fraction I can easily arrange it. First I do write here bigger one digit, that is 72, then after 30 and then after 20. Now write the same denominator. Okay, now put the greatest symbol like that. as descending order में यही तो लगाएंगे. Now 72 upon 120 is coming from 3 upon 5. Hence 3 upon 5 will be greater from 13 upon 20 is coming from 2 upon 8. Now next one, 20 upon 120 is coming from 1 upon 6. So here is the solution of this A. C1, same the process, LCM of denominator, 60 is coming. Divide with the 60, 15, 12 and 6, same denominator say. First fraction will be multiply this 4, second 5, third 10. This is the way, this is the like fraction. Now arrange in ascending order or descending order. ये already arranged, 40 will be greater. Now 40 is the 10 upon 15 and 15 upon 60, 3 upon 12 and this is the 1 upon 6. So these are the solutions I did here. So which question I solved you have to do as a classwork, and I am giving you more questions as a practice for all of you. Do this question B, D, F, 3 question as you have to do practice, and in this one this F, G and H. These are the homework for all of you in exercise 4.5.